Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to talk about how to set up Shopify payments. So in this video I am going to break down step by step methods how I am going to work on. So watch the video till the end and you will find out various option or various method to implement this option in your Shopify store. So let's dive into the main tutorial. Let's go. Let's look on the dashboard Shopify. So as you can see, we already set up our Shopify store. This is our Shopify store. Once you click over here, it will give you the preview of our main website. So now you can see this is our products, this is our menu bar, and this is our full website. And now we want to add our payment method, Shopify default payment method. Like, let me give you an option that when I will click over here, it will redirect me to checkout option. Right now it is sold out option, that's why I'm not getting to buy it, but I will give you the procedure how you will integrate Shopify payment option in your website. First of all, you need to be visit on setting. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to here. The pop-up will become on your desktop. Then here you need to be click on payments. Once you click over here, you can see the full interface. There we have Shopify payments, then we have PayPal, we have payment capture method, then we can add manual payment method. Also we have option for payment method customization. We can also have gift card expiration. So it's totally up to you what kind of option do you want in your website. So right now I just want to set up my Shopify payments method, which is by default product in Shopify. So the process is really easy. You can see let your customers pay their way with Shopify payments. So here you can see their features: tap to pay on mobile device, competitive credit card rates, better checkout conversation with Shopify, faster payout with a Shopify balance, and built-in fraud protection. And you can learn more from this link. Also let's talk about how much like card rates they will charge. So I need to visit on the plan, then I will find out the option how much they charge for per purchase. So here you can see this is the premium plan, and where we can see the pricing point. So if we use third-party payment providers, then they will charge 2%. Like, it's huge for a business owner or e-commerce businessman. So if you use this by default product Shopify payments, then they will never cut any, or they never charge this 2% purchasing option. So you can save your whole money by using these apps. Also they charge, if you purchase many more, then it will be reduced by one. So the Shopify payment method is really well-being for you to using. So I will suggest you can use this Shopify payments, and it also give more features that you will find out in Shopify. So again, let's look into the dashboard. So here we are going to activate our Shopify payments on our website. So for that reason, I am going to click over here in this button, active Shopify payment. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will take a while and it will give you this option, complete account setup. You can read it. To start using Shopify payments, you need to complete the following steps. Once setup is complete, your payouts will be paid into your Shopify balance amount. So I hope you understand what they are meaning to you. So you need to be fulfill everything, submit application about your business. Here they are asking for information about your business, authorization representative, your business will need it to be verified to comply with their law. Then it recommended that the person filling out the information, either the owner or the store or someone with significant role in business, such as director or executive. And lastly, the third number point is any information and documentation you submit will be securely handled in accordance with Shopify privacy policy. So there is no chance to leak your information in other kind of internet. So it's really secure for you. Then you can see they have two-factor authentication. So you can need to go on submit details. Once you click over here, it will again redirect you to the new page where you need to be upload. So now we need to be fulfill our step one by one. It means the task we need to be complete. So here you can see, to start selling you need to enter some details about your store. I'm running my store as an individual. I have not registered with any legal entities and I am just running the store in my name. Or you can choose a registered business where I have a business that will own this store and is registered with the government of the United States. So you can choose your business over that place. You will find out various options here. Then you have a non-profit option. This means I have a non-profit entity that will own this store and is registered with the government of United States. So here you can select bunch of options like incorporate non-profit and incorporate non-profit. It's totally up to you. I'm going with this an individual. Just check this option, then click over next. Once you click over here, our task has been complete. Now we are in the second step. So here we need to be fulfill our all the form. They are asking for social security number SSN. So here you can see that this number is required for verify the person's identify, like the people are from really United States or not. So you need to be provide your birth of date by the birth date is you need to be matched with this date of birth with your actual date of birth. Then you need to be provide your address. Are you a resident of that place? So they will verify. After verifying, they will provide you the next step, that will be third step. So these are the really, like I can say, privacy. For the privacy I cannot provide the SSN here, so I will skip the method right now, but I think the process is really easy for you after watching this video, because you already find out the process how you are going to work on. So this is really simple process, you can easily do it. So right now we will talk with additional payment method. So here you can see we have PayPal. They also don't charge any transaction fee. That's why actually you can make your profit much more than actual other payment methods. So I will tell about this PayPal. So you need to be just click over here, activate PayPal. Even though you don't have any account, just go and visit over here and search for paypal.com, and they will provide you the option for creating a new account. You can create for your business account, you can create for your personal account. So it's totally up to your choice what kind of account do you want. So just research about this one and then connect your PayPal account. Like whenever you click over here, they will give you the option to activate your PayPal. They will redirect you to this place. So without having an PayPal account, you are not able or allowed to add here. So that for reason you need PayPal account. Although you have further more option like manual payment method. Let me give you an example what it really means. Like here you can see we have cash on delivery option. Like if you want to provide your service by cash on delivery, like when a delivery will be come to their house, like the customer house, they will give the parcel or product, then they will charge the money. That may be perfect for your business or not. It's totally up to you what kind of industry you are in. So this will be perfect if I am going to do my business, like my product is like clothes. That's why I think cash on delivery will be good for me, pretty much good for me. Then we can allow to accept bank deposit, money order option. Also we have payment method customized apps. So it's really amazing. It is a bunch of options where we can make our payments option more secure and more interesting for our audience. So this way we can make it more engaging. And the next one is we can add further payment option for our store. So it's totally depend on your plan, on your like game plan, how you want to accept your payments. So you can use this Shopify Payments. It's really good. It is totally fraud protection, so you are not allowed to, like anyone who are your buyers, they are not able to do any kind of frauds with you. So I will definitely suggest you, if you are belong from United States, go with Shopify default payment option. That will give you to make more profit on your business, and it will not charge any penny from you. So the process is really easy, and I hope this video will help you in future. If you have any question, even you know everything from this video, but in case if you have any question, don't hesitation or don't feel any hesitation, just go on the comment box and comment me, and I will give you solid answer. Until then, have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.